Summer is the perfect time to create fun, colorful party invitations. So today we're turning one of our pre-made templates into a bright, bold pool party invitation that's ready to sell. Let's jump right in by changing the theme. I'll update the wording for a pool party, then center everything and adjust the spacing so the layout feels nice and balanced. Giving your text a little breathing room now makes the rest of the design so much easier. Now for the fun part, the headline. I want pool at the top and party at the bottom to really frame the design. For this, I'm choosing a playful font with lots of personality. Since it's such a fun summer theme, this is a great chance to be a little more bold. Before we move on, I'm just making a few small tweaks to the spacing and changing some of the wording. Little edits like these go a long way in making the design feel like your own instead of the original template. I also want to bring in one more font. Using 3 fonts can add a lot of personality, as long as they work well together and everything stays easy to read. All right, now let's have some fun with the background. I'm creating bold stripes using a simple square shape. Once the first one is in place, it's just a matter of duplicating it until the entire page is filled. Now we get to play with color. I'm starting with 2 bright, vibrant shades that really capture that fun summer feeling. And don't be afraid to experiment here. Here's a quick tip that's going to save you some time. Once all of the stripes are in place, I'll group them together in the Layers panel and send them behind the text. Keeping everything organized makes it much easier if you decide to change something later. Speaking of color, I'm still not completely sold on this palette, so I'm going to keep playing around until I find a combination that really pops. That's one of the best parts about designing. Sometimes a few simple color changes can completely transform the look. To wrap things up, I'm just making a few final adjustments to the spacing and alignment. These little finishing touches help everything feel polished, balanced, and easy to read. Hopefully, this gave you a few ideas for your own summer collection. Remember, you don't have to get it perfect on the first try. Try different fonts, experiment with color, and have fun making each design your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us create next. Happy designing!